Hello, concrete lovers. Welcome to Fun Concrete with Mr. Concrete. If you're new today, thank you. I promise we're going to have fun. And if you want to have more fun, get some concrete, put on a dust mask, and play along. If you are returning today, you know what you're in for. And just thank you. Thank you for being here. 100 milliliters of water. That's 50. This is my other 50. 1 kilo of concrete. 35 grams of white pigment. We're mixing. Making a well. Filling with water. Chilling with good time concrete vibes. We add water incrementally into our mix. Just to play it safe. But I can safely say we can add more. Probably about 80 milliliters of water at this point. I'm trying to keep my well. My well's getting big, but the border's holding. It's a good time. Uh-oh. No way, Jose. I think we can add it all. Pulling this in a little closer. I actually think we can add it all, and I think it's going to be a little bit more. So we're going all the way. 100 milliliters of water, 1 kilo of concrete, 35 grams of white pigment. And at this point, some elbow grease, a little bit of input from my end and from your end. We are working with our hands today because humans make things. And together, we make great things. And when you make things with your hands, you can tap into that primal energy inside of you that is really in tune with being human. We just do this for, not even an hour every day, or every few days. And I promise you, your world will change. So this is why I think working with concrete is a big deal. Working with any medium with your hands is a big deal. For the physical medium, it takes all of your senses, all of your attention for a small amount of time. That is our off. This is going to be a bone white, I believe. I'll throw it right over here. Color number 2. Further away. Oh, gray matter. 40 grams of black pigment and 30 grams of blue pigment. 50 milliliters of water. And 50 to come. Fill it in the border. I love it. I love the sound. I love the feel. The gritty feel. Kind of like playing with mud. It's mud. We're making a mud. Today we're going to make a mud pie. Oh shoot. Today we're going to spill our water. No. Not on me. Dang this mud pie. This dang old mud pie. Now I don't know how much water's here. Well, that's a burn. So now we're going to do the rest of this color by feel. Because I tipped over a cup of water that I specifically moved there. Why did I do that? Quite a deliberate move on my part. Interesting. I split the water. I moved the cup. I moved the cup on purpose over there to spill the water. Because still pretty dry. We're going to need more water. Ooh. Because I wanted to see that. Wild. Because I wanted to see that. Wild. Come on. What do you think would happen if we just put the blue crumble, if we were to mix these two colors together right now, blue crumble, which I've made somewhat serendipitously. Oh, it's going to be cool though, isn't it? With our nice creamy white. Oh, which is still pretty nice. Crumble and white. We probably have to really vibrate that thing out. I originally planned to do this wild bleed, but I feel we got to go with the flow. How do we do this? Put this here. We're making a planter. You can put a cactus in here. You can drill a drainage hole in it if you want, or make a drainage hole with your finger. You know what? Everyone always is like, make a drainage hole. I'll make a drainage hole. Just chill. Here we go. This is a new trick. I'm going to try to stretch this beautiful pancake out a little bit. Like a funky pizza. Funky pickle pizza. I don't know. I've never done this. That blue is really dry, I would say. And the white is, maybe I could have made the white wetter. Let me give this a little spritz. Fold it all in again. So that was a little bit of magic. That doesn't happen all the time, but that's how, in my life, that's how magic has happened. Something serendipitous happens, and I choose to follow it. That's part of my secret magic. But I discovered my secret magic through working with my hands. Holy schmolies. Getting that? Ooh, snap. Interesting. So that's what I've been screwing up. Let's see what we got there. Get in there. We can keep it maintained what goes in. I'm worried that navy is going to bleed like crazy as it flattens, but maybe we're fine. That's a nice consistency. Man, what are we going to get here? It's all pretty good there. Love this color. Ooh. Look what I did. There's a lighter. There's a lighter in the top of the cactus pot. Get twinkle fingers. Thank you for joining in on this fun. How do you think it's going to turn out? Don't think about it too much. Don't worry about it too much. I think it's going to turn out cool. And I stuck a lighter in it on this side. 12 hours later, let's see how this turned out. First of all, the lighter. Can I get the lighter out without... Usually you want to use... Maybe the lighter wasn't the best thing to use for this. I'm a little worried. I don't want to wreck our camo. Use something that's a little bit more pliable than a lighter. The concrete's going to want to suck in around that. And also, something that's not potentially explosive. Yeah, that was maybe not smart. I do not need a lighter to explode on my face. Oh, it came out. And it didn't explode on my face. Now this. Scrapnel. Okay. Nice big mold. Start by releasing our edge. There we are. I grip an edge of it and just start pulling. Working your way around. I think we got a winner. Oh my goodness. We've got a winner. Wow. That's gorgeous. So, happy mistakes. That was an adventure, and I told you we'd have fun, and we did. And there's a drainage hole in the bottom. See? Drainage. You can see right through it. So there, now your cactus will drain. I love it. If you love it too, and you'd like to have this, I'll give it to you for free. If you are one of the first 25 people who subscribe, if you mention this to your friends, just tell one person about what we do, you'll be entered to win this beautiful cactus planter. Something we're going to be doing every week. We'll pay for shipping in Canada and the US. Goodbye.